Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, Gemini. Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Ten of Wands, the Fool, Wheel of Fortune. Gemini, with these cards, I feel today you may be helping people, or someone may be helping you, your friends or family. Someone may come to visit you and gift you, and you are you are in a responsible position in life. Maybe you feel you are the one who has to make decisions in your relationship, or in work. You hold a very responsible position, so that burden is on your shoulders literally, and you have that kind of that is the energy here, and maybe that may be the reason. So when things are not going your way, when things are not going as expected, and whatever efforts you are taking, whatever struggles you are facing, and the way you're handling things, the result is not what you expected. So sometimes you feel it is just destiny playing its part in your life. So whatever you have the feeling of some kind of desolation, something of that sort, guys. You feel things are happening as destined. So whatever you have, the times you were happy, and now whatever you do not have, maybe destiny is playing its part. Maybe even this may be the energy with this relationship, with this person. You feel sometimes you're really happy with them, and sometimes there are few struggles. You feel the burden of that relationship is on your shoulders, and maybe you feel you are being used in this relationship, or sometimes you feel that harmony and understanding is there. So you have a positive and a negative kind of vibration in this relationship. For some of you all, you may feel you are different from them, you don't think like them. There is some kind of gap between you in understanding. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Some difficulty is there. You have that sense of completion, but still you are anxious about something. So something is causing, or some kind of division or separation is there, you feel, with this person. Some kind of absence, something, some feelings, something of that sort, guys, is not being reciprocated. Some kind of difference is there between you all. That may be something you need to work on. Maybe you're trying really hard. That may be because of your person's immaturity, or your immaturity, or your immature decisions in this relationship, or some choices that you made. That may be the reason here, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. What is the reason for this difference of opinions for some of you all, or some distancing, guys? House, fox, cross, clover, so maybe your past experiences, you would have had you are having some preconceived notions about this relationship. Maybe you know what is your situation and you will be expecting some things to happen, so that may be the reason that is stressing you out, guys. And you may be scared of taking up the burdens of this responsibilities, and you feel you are the one who has to make the choice. That may also be the reason for your anxiety and stress in this relationship, or some kind of division happening, guys. But with these two cards, I feel you are going to overcome these minor troubles, guys. You are going to feel this is a very lucky card. So whatever the negative energies the other cards are showing, it is just going to disappear, guys. So some good luck is coming your way. So you may want to utilize it quickly, because it is not going to last long. That may be the energy here for some of you all. Maybe you are struggling to come to an understanding in this relationship, and you may find the balance, guys, the balance in your relationship, and you will find that stability, and you will be trying to structure yourself. That may also be the reason here, guys. That may be the reason that there is some kind of difference of opinions between you and your person in this relationship. You may be establishing your boundaries and your structure in this relationship. That may be the reason here. So with these cards, with these two cards, I feel you have a very good chance of overcoming this minor negative energies, guys. So you will come to a clear understanding of your situation, Gemini. That is the energy here, guys. After difficult times, you are coming to a clear understanding, guys. So that is the energy here, Gemini. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. I'll be picking one card from this angel deck, guys. The fairy deck, sorry guys, fairy deck. So what is the angels, fairies guidance today? Violet angel. Breaking dawn. So the energy with this card is that after a difficult time, you are going to get new breaks, guys, and you are going to be very optimistic and cheerful about this new beginning, maybe in this relationship or with the new person. You are very lucky to feel this bright and optimistic today, guys. So it is a time for you to enjoy the present, whatever is happening, and you have to feel the gratitude towards the universe for bringing this about, what you had hoped for. That kind of understanding with this person, or you are with a new person with a better understanding. That may also be the energy here, guys. So with this card, it denotes a great spiritual awakening, guys. You will have a better understanding of your life henceforth, and new things are on your agenda, guys. So new beginnings and things are opening up in a better way to you. So it's time for you to just watch what is happening in the present and enjoy what you had hoped for. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Maybe this is your energy towards this relationship, or this may be your person's energy towards this relationship. So that is the reading, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.